Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of lens. Today's lens unboxing, I've got Tamron lens. Just this one. This one. But how it's called? That thing for picture for YouTube. So I've got thumbnail. So I've got 18 to 200 millimeters, f3.1 to 6.3, d 2 Vc. And this one also says about filter size. Here, this is for Canon, and I've got it on Best Buy. It has 6 years USA limited warranty. Wow! And it has here side to register. Okay, so let's open it. And I admit I already opened it today because I wanted to see how it works in bed, because I got it at morning. So let's open it. Here it comes with serial number sticker and some warranty documents, and then it looks like this. So it's packed in cardboard. And then 2 squares come out of this lens, and also this square has this thingy which is hold. This hold looks like this. Made in Philippines. Tamron. And lens itself also packed in this new dusty stuff. Looks like this. So this one is for Canon. It looks like it's quite extension. It has over a pound of weight. This is only for APS-C sensors, which is crop sensors. And this lens is 18 to 200. It also has some kind of Tamron kind of stabilization, image stabilization, which is VC called. You can put it on and off with this switch here. And it also has other kind, AF and MF switch here, and it also has a lock that you can lock it, because supposedly when you put it like this it might fall out of this ring. I read in reviews. Here it has Tamron camp, and here is one lens. And inside here it looks like this. I look for a lens to check if it's really new. Yeah, it seems new. And this one, as you can see, it has plastic ending here. So this kind of is like not good, because when it falls, this plastic is easy to break. Although here it has at the sides some metal one. But I had also Canon 55 to to 50 millimeters, and one time it fell down on the carpet and it broke this part, because it's also from plastic, so it's easy to break. That's why it's better when it's this part from metal. And here, oh, this lens actually has some weather sealing here. This part is made from rubber, so that's good. So it's kind of a little bit weather sealed. I don't know if fully or not. Here it says the Tamron stuff. Yeah, so it's nice lens, made in Vietnam. I will show you also how it looks image when I put it on this camera, and then you can see if it's nice or not. I also will do some video test in lower light, and also I will do some pictures, insert here in my video pictures from yard or something. Okay, so it's my unboxing of the lens. I want to do some nature photography, like birds, some small animals or bigger, as I sometimes go even in the yard or in the forest nearby. I can take pictures of some animals. That's why I wanted a lens that was zoom more, because my other one from Canon broke, and that's why I've got this one. And I can make the birds pictures and some close-ups. Hope that this one will be fine. I could also do pictures of myself for my blog, or maybe even vlogging actually. Some days I can test it out to vlog. So yeah, that's it. I will put it now on. Hi friends, this is test of lens Tamron 18 to 200 millimeters Tamron lens. I'm testing it here on my Canon SL2, and the situation is kind of low light as it's night, and I'm using it currently at 18 millimeters. And I'm gonna see how it performs. Not bad. Maybe it could be used for vlogging, because actually this lens is quiet. You don't hear much when it's zooming in and out. I mean when it's focusing. Or maybe I could use it to YouTube videos, but when? Okay, I don't know. Close. I don't know yet, but isn't that bad. It's a really low situation up here. It's not that good. But when you have more light, then it's fine. And it's not too heavy, but it's kind of 1 pound at least. Never for vlogging too heavy, but for some videos. And it has image stabilization, which is good. Maybe for walking around. for beach or some other places where you walk like this way, maybe it's not too bad. And when you can zoom in to some object that you are interested in. So yeah, maybe I will take it and vlog places like beach and some parks. Yeah. Okay, see you later. Bye bye. So this is how it looks, this lens on this Canon camera. So it looks okay to me. It seems like it's working fine. It's zooming in and out quite quietly. And I can zoom my face more like this way. Zoom out. Zoom in or zoom out. Just fully zoom out. And now here I have some monitors. Next time I move it different way. Yeah, so now I have two lights. Is it good for YouTube videos? Oh, but there is this one, which I always use, but this one is always so loud when it comes to zooming in. And this one, when I do this, it doesn't focus because it's too close. It has to be like this way. And when I put closer, see, it's too close. So I don't know yet. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy such unboxing. Thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one, and hit notification bell to be notified when I upload. See you in the next one. Bye.